Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to remove widget on Evernote. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Evernote application. Now tap on the three horizontal dots. Then select Remove Widget option. Tap on Customize Home. Now to remove widget on Evernote, just tap on the minus sign. And this is how you can remove widget on Evernote. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.